Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to delete all blank rows in Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So in one of the previous videos we added a blank row after each row, and now let's remove the blank and unnecessary rows. If you have a small range of data, then this method is for you. Hold down the Ctrl key and with the left mouse button select all unnecessary blank rows. And then press the right mouse button and select delete the selected rows. It's simple, but it's a way for a very small range. For a range of hundreds or more rows, it's better to use the following method. Select any column and then go to the Data tab. In the drop-down menu, select Create a filter. The fact that the filter has been created is shown by the lines along the edges of the column and this little icon in the column header. Select it. Now, as you can see, in addition to the data cells in this menu, there is a blanks filter with empty cells. This is what we need. Click Clear and select blanks, then OK. As you can see, we have a row with headers left and all the remaining rows are blank. Let's delete them. Select the second row and then press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+down arrow, thereby selecting all blank rows to the end of the sheet. When the rows are highlighted, right-click and select Delete Selected Rows. That's all. Now back to our filter. To return all the rows with data, click Select All and click OK. And since the filter is no longer needed, go to the Data tab and remove filter. That's it now. Now you know what to more. Thanks for watching.